elegant live-edge wooden furniture for a natural touch. Wood has always been a key element in furniture design, bringing warmth, character, and natural beauty into our living spaces. But among all the different styles of wooden furniture, live-edge pieces stand out as some of the most breathtaking and unique creations. Live-edge furniture celebrates the organic, unrefined beauty of wood by preserving the natural contours, grain patterns, and even imperfections of the material. This results in furniture that is not only functional but also a work of art, one that bridges the gap between nature and modern interior design. Live-edge wooden furniture is crafted by carefully selecting slabs of wood that still retain their raw, uneven edges. Unlike traditional woodworking, where boards are cut into uniform shapes, live-edge furniture keeps the outer edge of the tree intact. This approach highlights the natural curves, knots, and textures that make each piece unique. Whether it's a dining table, a coffee table, a shelving unit, or even a headboard, live-edge furniture carries a rustic yet refined charm that can elevate any space. One of the most popular uses of live-edge wood is in dining tables. A live-edge dining table creates an eye-catching centerpiece for any home, instantly adding warmth and elegance to the dining area. The combination of natural wood grain and raw edges makes every meal feel more inviting and connected to nature. These tables are often paired with sturdy metal or wooden legs, creating a beautiful contrast between organic and industrial elements. The fusion of rustic and modern styles makes live-edge tables a perfect fit for a variety of interior aesthetics, from contemporary and minimalist to farmhouse and bohemian. Coffee tables and console tables also look stunning with live-edge designs. A live-edge coffee table can serve as a statement piece in a living room, drawing attention with its organic form and rich wood tones. Some designs even incorporate glass or resin to fill in natural gaps or cracks, adding an artistic touch that enhances the beauty of the wood. A live-edge console table placed in an entryway or hallway can create a warm and inviting atmosphere while showcasing the unique craftsmanship behind each piece. For those looking to add a touch of live-edge furniture to smaller spaces, shelving and wall-mounted designs are an excellent choice. Live-edge wooden shelves add character to any room while providing functional storage space. Whether mounted in a kitchen, office, or bedroom, these shelves showcase the natural charm of wood while offering a practical solution for organizing books, plants, and decor. The raw edges create an organic, flowing look that softens the structured lines of modern interiors. Another stunning way to incorporate live-edge wood into interior design is through headboards and bed frames. A live-edge wooden headboard brings a sense of nature into the bedroom, making the space feel warm and relaxing. The natural curves of the wood create a soft, organic shape that contrasts beautifully with clean bedding and contemporary decor. Some headboards are designed with backlighting or resin inlays, adding a modern twist to the rustic beauty of live-edge wood. When it comes to materials, different types of wood can be used to create live-edge furniture, each with its own unique qualities. Walnut is a popular choice for its deep, rich color and striking grain patterns. Oak, on the other hand, offers a lighter, more traditional look with incredible durability. Maple provides a sleek and modern aesthetic with its smooth texture and pale tones, while exotic woods like acacia and teak introduce unique colors and natural oils that enhance their longevity. Each wood type brings its own character, ensuring that no two pieces of live-edge furniture are ever the same. One of the reasons live-edge furniture has become so popular is its sustainability. Many artisans and furniture makers use reclaimed wood or responsibly sourced slabs, ensuring that these beautiful pieces are not only stylish but also eco-friendly. Instead of discarding wood with imperfections, live-edge furniture embraces knots, cracks, and irregularities, turning them into design features rather than flaws. This approach minimizes waste and promotes the use of naturally fallen or salvaged wood, making it a responsible choice for environmentally conscious homeowners. Beyond the beauty and sustainability of live-edge furniture, there is also something deeply emotional about owning a piece of nature in your home. The tactile experience of running your hand along the raw, textured edge of a wooden table connects you to the natural world in a way that mass-produced furniture never can. Each piece tells a story, carrying the marks of time, weather, and growth that shaped the tree it came from. This sense of history and authenticity is what makes live-edge furniture so special. It is not just an object, but a piece of the earth, preserved and transformed into something both functional and inspiring. One of the most exciting trends in live-edge furniture design is the integration of resin and epoxy. Resin-infused live-edge tables have become incredibly popular for their artistic and modern appeal. The combination of wood and colored resin creates a striking contrast, often mimicking the look of flowing rivers, ocean waves, or even galaxies. This technique allows artisans to craft mesmerizing pieces that capture both natural and abstract beauty. Transparent or tinted resin can fill in gaps and cracks, enhancing the raw edges of the wood while adding durability and a contemporary touch. Live edge wood can also be incorporated into office furniture, bringing warmth and personality to workspaces. A live edge desk creates a welcoming and inspiring atmosphere, making it an ideal choice for home offices or creative studios. The combination of natural wood with sleek, minimalist design elements fosters productivity while maintaining a sense of balance and harmony. Paired with metal legs or geometric supports, a live edge desk can seamlessly blend into both modern and industrial interiors. Another remarkable aspect of live-edge furniture is its versatility. While it is often associated with rustic or farmhouse aesthetics, it can also be adapted to modern and luxury interiors. When combined with polished finishes, elegant metal accents, and minimalist design, live-edge pieces can exude sophistication and refinement. Whether styled in a contemporary loft, a cozy cabin, or a high-end villa, live-edge furniture has the ability to complement and enhance a wide range of spaces. The timeless appeal of live-edge wooden furniture. For those who appreciate craftsmanship, investing in a handcrafted live-edge piece is a tribute to the artistry and tradition of woodworking. Unlike mass-produced furniture that often lacks character, each live-edge creation is a one-of-a-kind masterpiece shaped by nature itself. Skilled artisans carefully select, cut, and shape each slab of wood, preserving its natural contours and imperfections. The result is a striking balance between raw beauty and refined craftsmanship, ensuring that every piece is as unique as the tree it came from. Live-edge furniture is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It carries a sense of history and authenticity. The natural edges tell a story of the wood's origins, with grain patterns, knots, and textures that make every piece special. Whether it's a dining table, a coffee table, a headboard, or a floating shelf, live edge wood adds warmth and organic elegance to any space. It brings a connection to nature indoors, creating an atmosphere of comfort and tranquility. Beyond its beauty, live-edge furniture is also an environmentally responsible choice. Many pieces are crafted from salvaged or sustainably sourced wood, ensuring that the material is repurposed rather than wasted. This commitment to sustainability makes live-edge furniture not just a design statement, but a conscious decision to appreciate and preserve the natural world. A lasting connection to nature and craftsmanship. In conclusion, live-edge wooden furniture is more than just a trend. It is a timeless celebration of nature, craftsmanship, and sustainability. Whether you're drawn to its raw, organic beauty, its eco-friendly appeal, or its ability to transform a space with warmth and character, live-edge furniture offers something truly special. It turns ordinary spaces into extraordinary environments, embracing the imperfections of nature as part of its charm. By choosing live-edge furniture, You're not just decorating a home. You're making a statement about the value of artistry, the importance of sustainability, and the timeless appeal of wood in its purest form. It's an investment in craftsmanship, a connection to nature, and a lasting piece of art that will continue to enrich your space for years to come.